What's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Car Trend, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Chevrolet C K1500, a truck that perfectly blends classic American toughness with modern technology and innovation. This iconic nameplate has been a symbol of reliability and strength for decades, and the 2026 model is no exception. Whether you're a longtime Chevy fan or just looking for a powerful, versatile pickup, this truck is designed to impress. The 2026 Chevrolet C K1500 carries forward the legacy of its predecessors with a bold and muscular exterior design. It features sharp lines, an aggressive front grille, and LED headlights that give it a commanding road presence. The body is built tough, using high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum to strike the perfect balance between durability and efficiency. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising through city streets, this truck looks ready for anything. Under the hood, the 2026 C K1500 offers several engine options to suit different driving needs. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder that delivers impressive power and excellent fuel economy, perfect for everyday driving. For those who need more muscle, there's a 5.3-liter V8 that churns out robust horsepower and torque, making towing and hauling a breeze. And for the ultimate performance, the 6.2-liter V8 option provides serious grunt with high horsepower and torque figures, ensuring the truck can tackle the toughest jobs and off-road adventures. One of the standout features of the 2026 C K1500 is its advanced towing capabilities. Equipped with a smart trailer system, this truck makes towing safer and easier. It includes trailer sway control, hill start assist, and an integrated trailer brake controller, giving drivers confidence when pulling trailers, boats, or campers. The bed of the truck is also designed with versatility in mind, featuring durable materials and available multifunction tailgate options to enhance loading and unloading efficiency. Inside, the cabin of the Chevrolet C K1500 blends comfort with cutting-edge technology. Spacious seating with premium materials ensures a comfortable ride for both driver and passengers. The latest infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display with smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected on the go. Available features like a premium sound system, wireless charging, and advanced driver assistance systems provide convenience and safety for every journey. Technology plays a key role in the 2026 C K1500's appeal. It comes loaded with safety features such as forward collision alert, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to help prevent accidents and make driving less stressful, especially in busy traffic or on long road trips. Chevrolet has also focused on improving fuel efficiency with start-stop technology and aerodynamic design enhancements, helping to reduce emissions and save on fuel costs. When it comes to off-road performance, the 2026 C K1500 doesn't disappoint. Select trims offer an off-road package that includes skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a specially tuned suspension for rugged terrain. Whether you're hitting trails, crossing streams, or navigating rocky paths, this truck is built to handle it all with confidence and durability. Customization is another highlight of the C K1500. Chevrolet offers a wide range of trims, colors, and accessory packages so you can tailor the truck to your personal style and needs. From work-ready configurations to luxury-oriented models, there's a version of the C K1500 for every driver. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet C K1500 is a remarkable pickup that honors its heritage while embracing the future. Its blend of power, technology, comfort, and ruggedness makes it a top contender in the highly competitive full-size truck segment. Whether you need a reliable workhorse, a capable off-roader, or a stylish daily driver, this truck checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching this detailed look at the 2026 Chevrolet C K1500. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button, share with your fellow truck enthusiasts, and subscribe to Car Trend for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about this powerful pickup. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more from Car Trend.